In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to take a simple essay and use Google Docs to prepare it properly, format it cleanly, and, when appropriate, make it appear longer without changing your actual content. This is great for readability and for matching common assignment requirements. Always follow your instructor's guidelines and use these tools to present your work clearly. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. If you're beginning from scratch, add a clear title at the top and write or paste your essay into the body of the page. Before touching the formatting, give it a quick pass for spelling and grammar using tools to spelling and grammar. Turning on word count can also help you track your progress as you adjust formatting. The goal here is to have all your text in place so the next changes apply consistently. Now highlight your essay. The fastest way is to select everything with a single shortcut. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+A. On a Mac, press Command+A. If you're leaving a separate title or header untouched, click and drag to select only the body paragraphs. You should see the entire selection shaded, which means the next formatting choices will affect the same text at once. With the text selected, adjust the font and size from the toolbar. Choose a clean, widely accepted font like Times New Roman, Arial, or Calibri. Many assignments request 12 point, but if you're allowed to go larger, try 12.5, 13, or 14 for a modest increase in page length. Keep it professional and easy to read. Overly decorative fonts can hurt clarity and may not be permitted. If your document already specifies a font, keep it consistent throughout. Next, change the line spacing to double. You can use the line spacing button on the toolbar or go to Format, Line Spacing, and choose Double. Double spacing improves readability, gives your ideas breathing room, and makes your pages look fuller. If you see extra gaps between paragraphs, check for additional space after paragraphs and keep it consistent with your guidelines. That's it. You've prepared, highlighted, updated the font, and doubled the spacing. Your essay should now look cleaner and, if allowed, a bit longer on the page. Give it a final skim for line breaks, widows, and orphans at the tops of pages and any odd spacing. When you're happy with it, use File Print Preview to check margins and page count and export to PDF.